This is everything I ate in Athens, Greece in 2 days for two people with prices. This restaurant. Sat down at this restaurant. It's pretty cute. So they brought us water, the prices. Feel free to pause. I am definitely getting a kebab. I like kebabs, the lamb kebab. They brought us bread and olive spread. The olive paste is a little salty, but so delicious. Got the kebab, fries, pita, and tzatziki. Beautiful, and she subsidized it for salad. Oh, well, this looks so good. The lamb is so juicy, so tender, so well seasoned. The potatoes are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Pita the same, super soft on the inside, and the tzatziki is amazing. It's so creamy. And I hate it when it's watered down, but this is like perfection. So good. They gave us a free dessert too, and the total was 32 for the water and then the two kebabs. We're gonna try the famous donuts from here. They used to give these to the Olympic winners back in the day. This lukumades you can only get in Athens, and I'm getting the original honey and cinnamon one. That's $4.60. We're gonna share this, but they also have like chocolate, pistachio, something else, and one called Lotus, which is Biscoff. And I think right here is making a pistachio one. Oh my god, that pistachio cream is so good. Here they are. They look so beautiful. It smells amazing. For $4.60. It's a lot. Some parts of the honey crystallized, some are still dripping, but it smells so good. Cinnamon. It's good. Sweet. The dough itself is not sweet. A little bit. Crispy on the outside, super soft on the inside. Pretty sure the other toppings will be great too, but this is just a classic. Just kind of like a feel-good dessert. It's not greasy at all. I really like it. So good. They also have some seating, and then for dinner, well, this was dinner basically, then went back to the hotel, and it has a view. My hotel has a rooftop bar that has a view. I'll link it down below. And this is the purple eye. It has vodka, watermelon, strawberry, sour pear, lime, and egg whites. But honestly, I'm not really seeing the egg whites. It's usually a bigger foam, but I think, yeah, it's there, like a half an egg white. And this is a passion fruit spritz. Both really delicious. But with the view, for the two cocktails, it was 26 euros, and then went to sleep and then had breakfast at the hotel. So skipped breakfast outside, but had a big hearty breakfast. Very common to have hotel with breakfast in Greece. This is a Greek cherry sparkling drink. It's so good, so delicious, so sweet, but it tastes like a real cherries, but it only comes in little bottle. I want a big bottle. Makes no sense. Gonna grab a smoothie because it's been a while. Got a watermelon, lychee, and mint smoothie. It was 7 euros for a large one and 6 for a medium one. Ooh. Minty, very watermelony. I don't taste the lychee, but it's so refreshing, so liquidy. I like it. Usually like smoothies are thick. This is nice. It's pre-lunch time, so not a lot of things are open yet, but it's okay because I'm still full. We're just gonna walk around, and there's so many things to find, and the problem is that every restaurant basically serves the same thing. But there's one restaurant, no, actually there's two restaurants. This is one of them. Two of the oldest restaurants in Athens. This is from 1879. Now it is so cheap considering where it is. It's like the heart of Athens. It's like basically downtown. Yes, it's kind of touristy, but the food is still really good. Appetizers, almost all of them are under 10 euros. We got a mixed grill. I'll show the price later, and then we get a couple of appetizers. I'm satisfied with it. I mean, it was not like wow, but it wasn't bad at all. We got a tzatziki, a Greek salad, and a Greek beer. This is 5%. This is the mixed grill plate. It is massive. It has 4 skewers, to pork to the other one.
Chicken.
No,
Gyro, chicken, lamb.
like the lamb, like two kebab, two pork, and then two kinds of gyro stuff. Massive. The table next to us has the same thing, and they're sharing it between 3 people. This is what the skewers look like. This is the pork, and that's the kebab. Gotta try the kebab. Juicy. It tastes really good, but it kind of has a lot of bread in it. Although it's delicious.
Not bad.
The pork skewer. It's good. Tender. I feel like it could use a little more spice on it. We ended up ordering 3 beers total. The grilled mix, the salad, and tzatziki, and it was 50-40. And look how much fat. There's like mostly fat pieces left in here. The food was quite mediocre. I think in Greece it's hard to find bad food because even the bad food is mediocre. Like it's not bad compared to like other countries because it just still tastes better than not bad food. I don't know. It was okay. It was all right. The food yesterday was better. Well, better season. Now I'm gonna pick up the luggage, go to the other hotel by the port because tomorrow we're leaving on the ferry early in the morning and going to Mykonos. For breakfast, we're going to the bread factory. It's right across from the port. It's open 24/7, and they also have like hot food. Probably not right now, but like for dinner. So much stuff. Wow, on both sides. That's crazy. It's just there's too much. Baked goods are almost all under €2 unless it's something small, then the price is by the weight. And yeah, I'm happy with it. I wish I got a donut. Got breakfast, got a couple of things because we do have a long ferry ride. It is a lot, kind of too much. These 2 are filled with ham, so kind of like a sandwich. There's a chocolate croissant that's like a cheese stick thing. Not sure what this is. It looks kind of old. 2 coffees. It was $14.90. So far, I only tried the cheese stick, which is honestly not great. So I'm not even gonna show it. But this is delicious. The bread is so soft, almost like a brioche bread, but it's not. I don't know, it's like super fluffy and I love it. The bread is so good. And this is from another video. We're on the ferry hoarding up our luggages, but everyone before in Santorini told me to come to Athens because it has the best food and so cheap, but it is the same price as in Santorini, pretty much, and even in Mykonos.